Have you ever heard of a tiny seed that packs a punch in health benefits? What if I told you that this small powerhouse could transform your health? Welcome to HealthNest in today's video, where we'll explore 10 incredible health benefits of chia seeds. Before we explore it, if you enjoy health tips like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Let's start to learn about the health benefits of chia seeds. Chai, nutrient powerhouse. First up, let's talk nutrients. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. Just 2 tablespoons provide you with 5 grams of protein, 11 grams of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids. That's more than salmon. These little seeds are also rich in antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Chia seeds truly are a nutrient powerhouse, making them a perfect addition to any diet. They're not just seeds, they're superfoods. 2. Heart health benefit number 2, heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol levels. Research has shown that incorporating chia seeds into your diet can lead to a healthier heart and reduce the risk of heart disease. Imagine supporting your heart while enjoying delicious meals. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. 3. Digestive health. Next, let's talk about digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds can aid in digestion and prevent constipation. When they absorb water, they expand and form a gel-like substance, which can help keep you feeling full longer. This makes them a fantastic option for anyone looking to manage their weight and improve gut health. 4. Bone health benefit number 4. Bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals for bone strength. Studies suggest that including these seeds in your diet can significantly support bone health, especially important as we age. Keeping your bones strong is key to maintaining an active lifestyle. 5. Energy boost. Ever feel that afternoon slump? Chia seeds can help. They provide a slow release of energy, thanks to their fiber and protein content. Add them to your smoothie or snack to keep you energized throughout the day. You can also sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, super easy and delicious. 6. Blood sugar control benefit number 6, blood sugar control. Chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream. This is particularly beneficial for those with diabetes or anyone looking to manage their blood sugar. It's a simple, natural way to support your health. 7. Skin health. Let's talk beauty. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, which can help combat skin aging and damage from free radicals. They can also keep your skin hydrated and glowing. You can make a simple chia seed face mask at home for a refreshing treat. Just mix chia seeds with a little water and let it sit. Weight management benefit number 8, weight management. The fiber in chia seeds expands in your stomach, helping you feel fuller longer. This can curb those pesky cravings and help with portion control. Combine them with a healthy diet and you're on the right track. Consider adding them to your meals for a satisfying boost. 9. Mood and brain health. Moving on to mood and brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are crucial for brain function. Studies suggest that they can help reduce anxiety and depression. A happy brain means a happy you. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can be a simple yet effective way to support your mental well-being. 10. Detoxifying the body benefit number 10. Detoxifying the body. Chia seeds are known for their ability to absorb toxins and waste from the body. Their high fiber content helps flush out unwanted materials and promotes regular bowel movements, which is essential for detoxification. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you're supporting your body's natural detox processes. How to use chia seeds. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's talk about how to use chia seeds in your everyday cooking. Here are some easy ideas. Chia seed pudding. Mix 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, or any milk, and let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. Add your favorite fruits, nuts, or honey for a delicious breakfast. Smoothies. Toss in a tablespoon of chia seeds for an added nutrient boost. They blend well without changing the flavor. Oatmeal. Sprinkle chia seeds into your morning oatmeal for extra fiber and texture. Salads. Use them as a crunchy topping for salads or mix them into salad dressings. Baking. Substitute eggs in vegan recipes by mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 15 minutes to thicken. Energy bars. Add chia seeds to homemade energy bars for added crunch and nutrition. Soups and stews. Stir in chia seeds as a thickening agent while cooking. Chia fresca. Mix chia seeds with water, a squeeze of lemon, and a touch of honey for a refreshing drink. So there you have it. 10 incredible health benefits of chia seeds, plus easy ways to incorporate them into your diet. Have you tried adding them to your meals yet? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Remember, always consult with a health professional for personalized advice. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.